Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am bringing you the latest Gina K Designs kit. This one is called Thoughtful and Thankful, and I wanted to do an unboxing and show you all the goodies that come inside of the new card kit. So let's get going. I got the kit and a couple of the add-on items, which we can go over. Just take this slip out. And this is this month's incentive set, which is called Blooming Sunflower. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the font on the birthday wishes and grateful for you. So every month, Gina changes what the incentive stamp is, and if you spend $75 or more before taxes and shipping and all that, then you get this free with your order. Of it. Alright, so let's see. Well, their bubble wrap is the stickiest wrap ever, but it does a great job protecting all the stuff. Okay. Alright. Let's see. First thing I will talk about is that generally every month Gina has a new release. The card kits and the bundles are only sold at Gina K Designs website. And then, but all of the extra pieces you can get at most of your online craft retailers. But what will happen is that the next month, all of the contents in the kit, they will break them up and they will sell them individually, and then you would be able to purchase them from any other retailer. So if there's something that you like in the kit but you don't want to purchase the whole kit, you can wait till next month and then purchase the pieces that you would like. But the kit, and sometimes they have card, I forget what they call it, it's like card kit bundles or some special thing, and those are only available from Gina K on her website until the following month. So since this new one is out, the Thoughtful and Thankful card kit, you can now go and purchase any of the items from last month's card kit, which was called the Good Life kit. So if you're waiting on those, you can go check that out. I will link to the video for the previous month for the Good Life kit, just in case you wanted to check that out, since you can purchase those items now. And everything today I will link in the description below, and they are affiliate links. Which means that if you click on them and end up making a purchase, that really helps me out in my channel, and I really appreciate you shopping through my links. Alright, let's get into all this good stuff. Alright, so the cool thing is that when you are able to get the incentive set, what they do on their website is they have the die available for purchase that goes with the incentive set. So in this case, I have the Blooming Sunflower die to go along with that. And it actually cuts out everything. It has all of the sentiments as well as the flower. So that's pretty awesome. I got this new stencil. I love it. I love butterflies. It's one of my favorite things. So this one is called Butterfly Garden. This will make a great background. You could also put like texture paste or sparkle paste or anything like that through that, and that would look really pretty as well. Alright, now a new and exciting product. This is kind of all the rage right now, is making bookmarks. So this month they released a making bookmark set. So this one's called Beautiful Bookmarks, and you have all different shapes. This is like a kind of a regular tag. This one has a little heart. This one has a star on it. And then here is the stamp set that goes with that. So, like, I love this stack of books. So you cut this out, stamp the stack of books, color them in. Has, you know, page marker, bookmark, book club, read books, bookmark, bookmark, just one more chapter. You know, lots of book-related sentiments. That's really cute. I had seen online someone actually had stamped this on and then put a little cat die cut on top of the stack of books, and that looked so cute. So this would be a really easy way if you wanted to give gifts. You can make a bunch of bookmarks for your friends and family. And Christmas is coming up, so that would be an easy thing to do. This month has the new Master Layout 17. And this one is actually geared toward making A6 cards, which is a little bit different. I was trying to look up online, and I can't remember offhand. When I edit the video, I'll put it in there, but I think an A6 card is something like 4.5 by 6.25, something that's a little bit longer than a regular, the A2 card, but I'll put those measurements in when I edit it. So a lot of great options in here. We have stitch rectangles, and then we have plain rectangles. We have a window cell, so you can make a lot of really good scenes with that. Alright, so this, I love that pretty much every kit that they do now, they will have the matching POLY-GLAZE sheets. And these are foiling sheets, so these need to be run through a laminator, there you go, a Mink machine, Gina K's fuse machine. So basically you take, it's the toner foiling type, that's the kind of foil that you need. And so you would cut this out, you'd put a piece of foil, and you'd run it through the laminator or the fuse or the Mink, and then the foil will stick to where the gray is printed, and that's toner, so it'll stick right on there, and that'll look really gorgeous. And in this, it has also the sentiments from what I'm assuming is the stamp set inside this kit. So that's great. So then you can have foiled sentiments that are gorgeous. Alright, let's take a peek in here. And there's a whole lot of happiness inside. Okay. So here we have the cover sheet. This is the Thoughtful and Thankful card kit. Well, let's lift it up so you can see it. But basically you get 2 huge stamp sets. You get the matching dies with that. You get a 4-piece stencil, and that is the Sunflower Garden layering stencil. And then you get a 2-piece stencil set, that goes with the flowers on there so that you could stencil those flowers on there. So this is a pretty big card kit. These birds, I love the design on them. They kind of look a little folk style. Oh, that butterfly is great. And I love this floral. So yeah, so the thinking of you is the same thinking of you on the POLY-GLAZE. And then all these sub-sentiments are also on here. So you can use the same dies after you foil on the POLY-GLAZE to cut those out. Alright, so let's get everything out of here. Alright. Okay, so I'll take this out, hopefully reduce the glare a little bit. Alright, so when you get the stamps, it does come with the die set as well. Let's take a peek at these. I love this style, that's so interesting. These are called the Ornate birds. I just love the design on that, and I love this font too. These little sprays and foliage pieces. That's great, that butterfly. Oh, I love it. Alright, so this, when you get the dies, they will send along a magnet sheet. This is oh, Gina must be doing it co-branded now because she has her information on the back of this. And it used to have the Stampin' Storage on the back. But anyway, so the dies come in a little bag, and basically you lay them out on this magnet card the way that it's laid out here, and they will all fit on there. And it looks like everything on here gets a die, so that's great. Alright, let's open this one up. Same thing. Dies are in here. You get the magnet card. This one is so nice. I love the spray, and you get the individual flowers as well. And you could actually take this and cut it out and layer it on top of there to give a little bit of dimension on your project. I love the splotches. So this one is called the Thoughtful Flowers. This one has a lot of good, really good sentiments. You have the thinking of you, but then it says, "In wishing you peace as you navigate what's next on your special day, on your wedding day, during these trying times, on your birthday, my friend, and keeping you in my prayers on your anniversary." So you have a whole wide variety of sentiments and the sub-sentiments to go with that thinking of you, which is great. Let's see. I really like the, thinking of you as you navigate what's next, thinking of you during these trying times, thinking of you and keeping you in my prayers. That's a great combo for that. Okay, so these are the Thoughtful Flowers stencils, and these go with the Thoughtful Flowers. And this is a 2-piece. So these would fit right on here. And you just line them up each flower. And then this one has a little bit of the leaves and the foliage and all that. So you can color in this whole spray. And then this one is the Sunflower Garden. And this is a 4-layer. So you have the flowers, you have the insides, another layer, and then some of the foliage and petals around. So we can check that out again, what that looks like on here. So it looks really cool. That would make a really fun background. Okay. So I think that's everything. We have, for the kit, we have the ornate birds, the thoughtful flowers, we have the thoughtful flower stencil, we have sunflower garden stencil, and so that is the kit. And then the extras this month that I picked up were the POLY-GLAZE that matches with the thoughtful flowers. I have the incentive set and the die for that. The new Master Layout 17. The beautiful bookmarks. And then the stamp set is called Make a Bookmark. These would be great just even if you want to put them on the front of a card. If you decorated this up with some flowers, or you stenciled it up and you could just put that on the front with a nice ribbon, that would look really cute. And then finally we have the butterfly garden stencils. So I will link everything I showed today in the description if you want to go check that out for yourself. Again, the kit contents are only available right now at Gina K Designs.com, and then next month they will break up all of the kits, and then you can purchase each thing individually. The additional items, you can purchase this at various online retailers right now. So I will put all the links to all the things if you want to check it out. And I think that's it. Thanks very much. I hope you have a great day, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.